Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix DoorDash app keep pausing my dash, focus and do not disturb and app fix. So fix one is turn off focus or do not disturb. Open settings on your phone, then tap focus or do not disturb. Then turn it off while you are dashing. Open the DoorDash app and check if your dash stays active. Second one is allow background app activity. Open your phone setting, then go to apps, then DoorDash. Enable background app refresh or allow background activity. Then restart the app and try dashing again. Third one is disable battery saver. Open setting, then go to battery, then turn battery saver or low power mode off. Then keep DoorDash running and check if it still pauses. Fourth one is restart your phone. Turn your phone off, then wait about 30 seconds. Turn it back on, open DoorDash and start dashing again. Fifth one is reinstall the DoorDash app. Uninstall the DoorDash app, restart your phone, install the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store, then log in and test your dash. Thanks for watching.